Surgical Friends Foundation is a group of surgeons and other advocates who have come together to really allow access to surgical care to patients that otherwise have no chance of receiving that care. As surgeons, we are the ones who are privy to the joy and the transformation that these patients really go through when their physical deformities are corrected.
Elena is a perfect example of this. She comes from Romania. They pretty much told her there is nothing else they can do for her, and so she came here to pursue her dream, and really we're excited to be able to give her a normal life.
My name is Elena. I was born without eyelid on my right eye and deformed nose. I have had 6 surgeries before on my eye and on my nose. When I came here, I decided to stay here for surgery, and I was start to contact more doctors, see if they can help me, if they can do something for me. When I saw Dr. Barsak, they called me and they say they can do for me, they can help me. In this day, I was so happy day in my life. Like I was saying, wow, yes, everything is taking time, and no need to give up. Like I was very, very happy.
We are excited to be involved in her surgery. What we want to do is, Dr. Calvert is going to be involved in doing a nasal reconstruction, and myself, I'll be doing the eyelid reconstruction.
My specialty is plastic surgery. I am a nasal reconstruction expert, but I perform all types of plastic surgery, especially facial plastic surgery. It seems like any time parts of the face are distorted, the nose goes with it. And my goal is always to create facial harmony. And that's a difficult problem, and it's not easy. When things aren't there or they aren't normal, creating normalcy from the abnormal is very, very tough. That's also my passion. I was asked to be involved in Surgical Friends by Dr. Kami Parsa, who has a tremendous passion for correcting these problems for patients from around the world. His energy and his spirit is so moved to take care of these problems that he created Surgical Friends Foundation. He stands up for these patients in a way that has me working right by him. And we're donating our care, we're donating our time, and we believe that it's going to make a difference. And if it's one patient at a time, so be it. But I think it's an attitude about healthcare that is going to really lead Surgical Friends to a different level.
Even if the doctor is volunteering the time, the problem is that cost of surgery involves hospitalization, implants, devices, so that is a major part of the cost. So although I'm volunteering my services, we needed some sort of a fund to be able to take care of that. Elena, her story really fits what Surgical Friends is all about, because we have the team, we have the talent, and we have the facility. We just need to bring together all these people that want to help, want to be part of that transformation.